In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format stunning text shadows in Microsoft PowerPoint. Text shadows can add depth, contrast, and a polished look to your slides, helping titles and key points stand out without overwhelming your design. I'll guide you through applying a shadow quickly and then customizing it so it matches your presentation style perfectly. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to enhance. Navigate to the slide with the text you'd like to adjust. If you're starting fresh, insert a new text box and type your content so you have something to work with. Click the text box to select it. If the shadow should only appear on certain words, highlight just that portion. Otherwise, select all the text so the effect applies across the board. This gives you precise control over what gets emphasized. At the top of the screen, go to the Shape Format tab. This tab appears when a text box is selected. Click Text Effects and then choose Shadow. You'll see a gallery of preset styles arranged by direction and intensity. Hover over different options to preview how each one looks on your text. When you find a style you like, click to apply it. This is the fastest way to get a clean professional shadow in one step, and for many slides, this is all you'll need. To take it further, return to Text Effects, select Shadow again, and click Shadow Options. This opens the Format Text Effects panel on the right, where you can fine-tune the result. Adjust the transparency to control how bold or subtle the shadow appears. Increase the size to expand the shadow's footprint around the letters. Use blur to soften the edges for a more natural feel, especially helpful for large titles. Angle and distance work together to position the shadow, simulating a light source and determining how far the shadow falls from the text. Small changes here can create a big difference in depth and readability. You can also change the shadow color. Picking a color from your theme helps everything look cohesive, while a contrasting tone can add a stylish highlight. As a general rule, darker shadows pop on light backgrounds, and lighter shadows can look great on darker slides. When you're satisfied, preview the slide to ensure the text remains crisp and easy to read. Subtlety usually looks more professional, especially for body text, while titles can handle a bit more drama. And that's how to create stunning text shadows in Microsoft PowerPoint. With a smart preset and a few careful adjustments, your slides will look more polished and visually engaging. If you found this helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching.